Hey, what's going on, crypto family? It's the crypto machine, Johnny Diamond Hands. And I want to talk to you today about Titano Finance, Sphere Finance, a little update from FOREX Shark, and how not only to 1x, 2x, but to 10x your crypto on these two platforms. So let's get into it. Titano Finance, they claim that they're the best auto staking and auto compounding protocol in crypto, with the highest fixed APY of 102,483%. And what they do is they take the crypto that you put when you buy this Titano, you put it in your wallet, and it rebases every 30 minutes, giving you a reward 48 times a day. 48 times a day. It is an auto staking, auto compounding protocol. Now, one of the main differences I see between Titano and Sphere Finance, which they're pretty much the same thing. Sphere Finance, they claim to be the S&P 500 of crypto, and they do pretty much the same thing that Titano Finance does with the auto staking and auto compounding. However, the Titano Finance is based on the BNB Binance blockchain, while the Sphere Finance is based on the Polygon blockchain. And how you buy these, how you purchase these cryptos is through BNB for Titano on Pancake Swap. That's one way to do it. And then for Sphere Finance, you can go ahead. Now, what they're different about is you can use any one of these cryptos to exchange for Sphere. So you can use Polygon, Ethereum, Binance, Phantom, Arbitrum, Avalanche, Harmony, so on and so forth, and you can trade this out. You can trade this out for the Sphere token. They're pretty much on par. I think last time I checked, Titano was around 10 cent, 9 or 10 cent, and Sphere was the same thing. So they're going to cost you about 9 cent per token, give or take, depending on market fluctuations. So now going into, before we get into the calculators, because both of these websites have built-in calculators, we'll go ahead and talk a little bit about what FOREX Shark is saying about the Piggy Bank and the animal farm. So 100% of the work is completed. This is from FOREX Shark on the Telegram. 100% of the work is completed. Our official launch date is Thursday, April 21st. So that's the main thing you need to know. And they talk about different things. He'll be discussing 3 major events upcoming on the upcoming roadmap that he has. The R34P DAO seed raised for a major third-party project was just secured. So they're bringing in different how do you want to say, branching out what Drip and Animal Farm and the Piggy Bank are going to be able to do. They're going to bring in a new UI to the Drip network, and they're going to do team competitions, and they're going to do a partnership with Chainlink. So they got big things coming for Drip. So I predict that the price is going to skyrocket. So I mean, you don't have to take my word for it. I'm not a financial advisor, but that's what's going to happen. And if you want to know more about that, you can just go over to FOREX Shark's Telegram and read up more about that. So without further ado, with the calculators for Titano Finance, you can take a $550 investment and investment for 120 days or 4 months, and it will give you pretty much a 10x return on your money, $5,264. You can do the same thing. These calculators are built into the websites, and I have a link to both of the websites in the description. Same thing with Sphere Finance. $550 investment will bring you about a $5,332 return in 4 months. So there you have it with Titano Finance and Sphere Finance. They do have other things in their docs. You can read about their docs on their websites. They both have documents and white papers and different things that you can read up on. My main thing is, invest early, because you never know that this price for the Titano and the Sphere coin could, it could go up to 25 cents. It could go up to $1. You never know what the price is going to be. But, if you get in early, then, you'll make more money in the long run. So, hey, Titano Finance, Sphere Finance, and then you have the Piggy Bank launching on Thursday, April 21st. If you like this video, hit the like button, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell for upcoming videos. Peace.